Let's talk about the present perfect progressive tense. First, create the present perfect progressive by using have or has plus been plus the ing form of the verb. For example, I have been studying English for years. I have been working all morning. He has been finishing his project. Now, let's talk about the difference between the present perfect and the present perfect progressive. The difference is, I have studied English for years, present perfect. I have been studying English for years, present perfect progressive. The progressive form emphasizes time a little bit. Now, grammatically speaking, you can really use either the present perfect or the present perfect progressive. Really, the progressive tense adds variation when we write or when we speak. So use that present perfect progressive to emphasize time, to show that something lasted a long time, and use it with the present perfect tense. So use both to have some variety, especially in your writing. Now, in your speaking, you can use the present perfect progressive to sound a little more casual. When we say, I've been studying English for years, we sound more casual than when we say, I have studied English for years. When you use the contraction, I've, he's, she's, plus been, that present perfect progressive, I've been, he's been, that adds a casual tone to American English. So overall, use this present progressive tense, present perfect progressive, to add variation to your writing and to add a casual tone to your spoken English. Okay, that completes this lesson.